Ramanujan for G is now available on the Google Play Store. Try it out for free.
Morning class. So in the previous lectures, we have just uh, checked till the solutions of differential equations, right? So where we have find the general particular solutions and the finding the degree, order, these things we have covered in the previous lecture. So today we are starting with the methods of solving first order and first degree differential equations. Okay, so first degree differential equation. So let me write it here. Methods of solving first order first degree differential equation. Okay, so like the differential equation of form dy by dx is equals to fx. This is given. So to solve this type of differential equation, we integrate both the sides to obtain the general solution as the discussed below. So let me write this what we have written. So dy by dx is equals to fx, which is dy is equals to fx into dx. So integrating both sides, you will get integration dy is equals to integration fx dx plus c, or y is equals to integration fx dx plus c, right? So this is our first answer. Now we will take questions. Okay, so like the question is given, we have to find the solution of differential equation dy by dx is equals to sec x plus sec x multiplied by sec x plus cot x is. So how we will solve? So first we are looking at dy by dx is equals to sec x into sec x plus cot x. So it becomes this dy by dx is equals to sec square x plus sec x into tan x. So now integrating, we will get y is equals to tan x plus sec x plus constant c. So this is our answer. This is our required answer. Next question. Which is the general solution of the differential equation? The general solution of the differential equation dy by dx is equals to x to the power 5 plus x square minus 2 by x is, so solving we get, we have dy by dx is equals to x5 plus x square minus 2 by x. So integrating both sides, y is equals to integration x to the power 5 plus x square minus 2 by x dx plus c, and y is equals to x to the power 6 by 6 plus x to the power 3 by 3 minus 2 of log mod x plus c. So this is the required solution. So copy this also. Okay. So last one more question we are taking on this. Like the question is given, the solution of differential equation x cos y dy, which is equals to x e to the power x and log x is here plus e to the power x and dx is, okay. So we will solve this. So this is like x cos y dy is equals to x e to the power x into log x plus e to the power x into dx. So it becomes cos y into dy is equals to e to the power x log x plus e to the power x by x into dx. So on integrating, sin y is equals to e to the power x log x plus c. So this is our answer. Copied. So the second, which is the differential equation of form, which is dy by dx is equals to fx into gy, right? So like to solve this type of differential equation, we integrate both the sides to obtain the general solution, as we are going to discuss it now. Okay, so this can be like dy by dx is equals to fx and gy. So integrate dy by gy is equals to integrate fx dx plus constant. Okay, so let's solve this. So the solution of equation dy by dx is equals to y e to the power x plus 1. Okay, so it can be, we can write it here, dy by dx is equals to y e x plus 1. So this is dy by y. We are collecting y terms one side and the x term this other side. So it become ex plus 1 into dx. So integrating both sides, log y is equals to e to the power x plus x plus c. So this is our answer. Now taking the next question. So the next problem is the solution. We have to find the solution of this dy by dx is equals to 2 to the power y minus x is. Okay, so we will solve it now. So dy by dx is equals to 2 y minus x, which is also equals to 2 power, this is to the power x. It's a variable separation, separable form basically, because we are collecting y terms one side and x term the other side. So it becomes integrating this 2 to the power minus y into dy is equals to integrating 2 to the power minus x into dx. So it becomes, finally it will becomes 2 to the power minus y divided by minus of log 2, which is equals to 2 to the power minus x divided by minus log 2, plus of constant will be there. So it become 2 power minus y minus 2 power minus x, which is equals to minus of log 2. And here constant is always equals to constant. So we can say 1 upon 2 to the power y minus 1 upon 2 to the power x is equals to constant. So which is equals to k. So this is the required answer. Okay. So copy this. Then we will take one more problem based on this. Now the next question is the solution of x dx plus y dy is equals to x square y dy minus x xy square dx is okay. So we will try to solve this. So x into dx plus y into dy, which is equals to x square y to dy minus xy square to dx. So x into 1 plus y square dy, which is equals to y of square minus 1 into dy. So it becomes x divided by x square minus 1 into dx, which is equals to y 1 plus y square into dy. So integrating 2x by x square minus 1 into dx, which is equals to integration 2y 1 plus y square dy plus constant. So finally it becomes log square minus 1, which is log of 1 plus y square plus log c. So it becomes log c is equal log c 1 plus y square. So it becomes x square minus 1 is equals to c 1 plus y square. So this is the answer. This is the required answer. Next, this part 3, we are having differential equation of form dy by dx is equals to f of ax plus by plus c. So to solve this type of differential equation, we put together like ax plus by plus c is equals to v. Okay, and dy by dx is equals to 1 by b, and dv by dx minus a. So it becomes dv divided by a plus of b into fv, which is equals to dx. So the solution is by integrating, which is integrating a plus b into fv, which is equals to integration d of x. Right? So this is our answer. So we will take one question on this, so you will get to better. So the solution of dy by dx is equals to 4x plus y plus 1 whole square is. Okay, so we will solve this. So first we have to put 4x plus y plus 1 is equals to z. So 4 plus dy by dx is equals to dz by dx, right? So dz by dx minus 4 is equals to z square. Now we will integrating dz by z square plus 4 is equals to integration dx plus constant. So here it's become half of tan inverse z by 2 is equals to x plus constant. So again it's become half tan inverse x plus y plus 1 divided by 2, which is equals to x plus of constant. So this is the required answer. Next, we are having, which is the differential equation of homogeneous type. Okay, so let me write is differential equation of homogeneous type. Okay, so an equation in x and y is said to be homogeneous if it can't be put in form dy by dx f of xy by zxy, where xy and zxy are both homogeneous function of the same degree in xy. So to solve the homogeneous differential equation, dy by dx is equals to, which is given like dy by dx f of xy g of xy. So we have to substitute y is equals to vx and dy by dx is equals to v plus of x into dy by dx. So we will get to know v plus x dv by dx is equals to f of v. So it becomes dx by x is equals to dv by f of v minus v. So this again by integration we will solve out at dx by x is equals to integral dv by f of v minus v plus constant. Okay, so this is the required answer. We will take one problem on this. So like the solution question is given, the solution of differential equation dy by dx is equals to y by x plus 10 y by x is. Okay, so first we will put y by x is equals to v or y is equals to xv. Then we'll put x dv by dx plus v is equals to v plus 10v. So it will become dv by dx is equals to 10 of v. Next thing is dv by 10v is equals to dx by x. So it becomes cot v dv is equals to dx by x. Or we can say this uh, ln sine v is equals to ln c, right? So it becomes sine v by x is equals to c, or sine of y by x, y by x divided by x is equals to c. So x is equals to c dash sine y by x is our required answer. Okay, so copy this. Next one, we are having like the differential equation reducible to homogeneous form. Okay, so let me write it here. Differential equation reducible to homogeneous form. So like the differential equation of the form is given like dy by dx is equals to a1x plus b1x plus c1 divided by a2x plus b2x plus c2. So where a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2 can be reduced to homogeneous form by adopting the following procedure. Like we have to put first put x is equals to x plus h and y is equals to y plus k, so that dy by dx is equals to dy by dx. So the equation can be transformed from dy by dx is equals to a1x plus by plus a1h plus b1k plus c1, similarly divided by a2x plus b2y, here it's b1y plus b2y plus a2h plus b2k plus c2. So now choose h and k such that a1h plus b1k plus c1 equals to 0 and a2h plus b2k plus c2 equals to 0. So then for all these values of h and k of the equation becomes, where that equation this equation will becomes dy by dx is equals to a1x plus b1y and the divided by a2x plus b2y. Okay, so this is a homogeneous equation can be solved by putting y is equals to vx and y and x should be replaced by y minus k and x minus h. Now we are taking one question on this. So the solution 3x plus 2y plus 1 dx minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 dy is equals to 0 is, so solution this, now we are moving to solution part. So we have dy by dx is equals to 3x plus 2y plus 1 divided by 3x plus 2y minus 1. So we will put 3x plus 2y is equals to z. So 3 plus 2 dy by dx is equals to dz by dx. So 1 by 2 dz by dx minus 3, which is becomes z plus 1 divided by z minus 1. So finally it becomes dz by dx is equals to 3 plus 2z plus 2 divided by z minus 1, which becomes 5z minus 1 divided by z minus 1. So solving there, which is z minus 1 and 5z minus 1 dz is equals to dx. So it becomes 1 by 5, 5z minus 1 minus 4 divided by 5z minus 1, which is dz by d of x. So now it becomes 1 by 5th of integral dz minus of 4 by 5 integral dz by 5z minus 1, which is also equals to integral dx plus c. So finally z by 5 minus 4 upon 25 log 5z minus 1 is equals to x plus of constant. So final answer will become 5 3x plus 2y, 5 3x plus 2y minus of 4 log of this 5 into 3x plus of 2y minus 1, which is equals to 25x plus constant. So 4 log 15x plus 10y minus 1 plus 10x minus of 10y is equals to constant. So this becomes 4 log 15x plus 10y plus 1 divided by 5 divided by 2 x minus y is equals to c. So this is the final answer. This is our final answer. Now the next is a linear differential equation. This is important, which is linear differential equations. Okay. So differential equation is linear if the dependable variable y and its derivative appear only in its degree, right? So the general form for the linear differential equation is dy by dx plus py is equals to q, and this is equation 1. when p and q are either constant or functions of x. So this type of differential equation are solved when they are multiplied by a factor which is called integration factor, because by multiplication of this factor the left hand side of differential equation becomes exact differential of some function. So multiplying both side by 1, both side of this equation 1 by multiply both side of 1 by e to the power p dx, and we will get integral is px dy by dx plus py and equals to q e to the power p dx. Okay, so here we can write this y e integral p dx, which is equals to integral q of e to the power integral p dx plus of constant. So which is the required solution where c is the constant, and integral this e to the power integral p dx is integration factor. Integration factor. So finally y e to the power p dx is equals to integral q e to the power p dx plus constant. So this is the answer. Now we will look at one problem based on this. Okay, so the solution of x plus 2y cube dy is equals to y into dx is, so solution will be x plus 2y cube dy is equals to y into dx. Okay, this is given. So now it becomes dx by dy is equals to x by y plus 2y square. Similarly, it becomes dx by dy minus of x by y, which is equals to 2y square. So e to the power integration p dy is equals to integral minus 1 by y into dy, which becomes integral log of y inverse, which is 1 by y. So we can type dx by dy plus p dash x is equals to q dash. So solving x by y is 2y dy plus c, which is equals to y square plus of constant. So finally it becomes y is equals to, sorry, y cube plus c y. So this is the required answer, right? So you can copy this. So now we are going to wind up this lecture here. Other points like equation to this linear form of like Bernoulli's equations we will take in the next class. Okay, so we are going to wind up this lecture here.